Finally, the controversial Apple iPhone 13 design leaked. The dust has barely settled on the iPhone 12 lineup, but the rumor mill is already kicking into gear for Apple's next smartphone. While the iPhone 13 is at least a year away, the leaks have already begun, and it seems Apple could be planning to make yet another of its courageous design decisions next year. According to well-regarded Apple leaker John Poser, Apple is planning to release a next-generation iPhone without any charging ports whatsoever. A portless iPhone has been rumored for a while, but Poser says Apple is finally ready to pull the plug next year. Could a missing charging port be enough to scupper the iPhone 13's chances of hitting our best camera phones list? But don't panic. It seems the entire iPhone lineup isn't about to lose the charging port. Instead, we can expect a more gradual transition. Not all iPhones next year will be portless, but one will be. Processor explains in a new YouTube video. He adds that the brand new magnetic MagSafe feature serves as a bridge between Lightning and portless. When Apple removed the headphone port from the iPhone 7 in 2016, the same year, coincidentally, that it launched the first wireless AirPods. It said the decision took courage, but many users weren't happy about the shedding of basic functionality. The company was similarly criticized for removing the charger from the box of the iPhone 12, which we called Apple's most outrageous move yet. One thing's for sure, if Apple does remove the charging port entirely, it will cause some serious controversies online. And if Apple does want users to embrace MagSafe, it might want to tweak the tech a little, from damage-prone leather cases to the practical, unusable MagSafe wallet. The magnet-powered feature hasn't had most been successful yet. That being said, could a portless design actually offer some benefits for creatives? The iPhone 13 has already been rumored to feature improved battery tech, and removing the charging port could free up extra space for an even bigger battery. It's quite impossible that a portless iPhone could feature the longest battery life ever, which is just as well if it's going to be removed by awkward to charge. If you think the Apple is doing a great job by making iPhone 13 portless, please make sure to leave a comment, and if you disagree, again, please make sure to leave a comment. In any case, leave a comment, leave a like, and subscribe to this channel. We'll see you in another video. Keep visiting Tigers Schooling.